Our next speaker is again from Viktoria Institute, from Viktoria Swedish ICT, I should say, and it is Kent Long, and he will tell us a bit from FISITA Automotive Summit held in Germany a couple of weeks ago, and the theme this time was about automated driving, I guess. So, Kent, please, the word's yours.
Thank you. Is it working, the mic? No, not yet. Should I do something? Or use this one? Better? Alright. Stick it. Short speech. So, the FISITA conference, what was it? I have one slide summarizing FISITA. What's that? That's the Global Automotive Industry Federation. So it has, they organize conferences and collaboration working groups and so on, and they have a summit where they invite 100 specially invited individuals to participate, and at this particular conference BMW was the host. So of course they were well represented at the conference, and also a German and Japanese automotive industry. But in general it was representation from all continents and all sectors at the conference. And the theme was the top line of this slide, and the very focus for the industry, automation, automated vehicles or autonomous cars or autonomous driving, or many names of the same thing. The conference started with an afternoon tea and then a kick-off session with high-level speakers with summaries of the state of the art, which was excellent presentations. And then day two was split in half plenary sessions and then half working sessions, working groups. So it was really a working conference. So what was the outcome of this? There were 4 areas that was focused in the working groups. And if I take the legal part, in summary, they say that the legal and the liability issues, it will be solved. It's not digital, it's not black and white, it will be adapted, depending on the acceptance by the public. So legal things can make changes. So what is the importance of UN regulations and policies? Everybody has heard about the Geneva Convention, that is limiting. And I don't have a clear answer after the conference. I would say that they were represented, the manager of that session at UNEC in Geneva were there making a speech, and of course she puts them in a pole position. But others says that it's not that necessary, they are more of a followers, so they will be adapted. So I don't have a clear answer if the Geneva Convention is this real obstacle for automation. There was a speech from Anders Lee from Trafikverket, Swedish State Traffic Authority, and my experience at the conference is that Swedish work on traffic safety is very well reputed internationally, and not only with the visionary zero vision, but also with the actions taking to improve infrastructure in combination with improving vehicles and other things. So the holistic view and the proactive work is well reputed, and also Anders was the only one representing infrastructure at the conference who really had proposals of what the infrastructure owners should do. What can we do to improve capacity on the roads? How can we utilize the infrastructure in a better way with automation? And there was nobody else from other countries taking up this hook, so to say. So what was the message from the automotive industry at the conference? that was that we will fix the technology and we have everything under control from our side. But there is a challenge for the premium car makers how to sell it to the to the market if you have marketing, driving performance and the driver in control, if you then have an automated vehicle. And Audi have given the name of automation that they are talking about piloting driving instead, or piloted driving. So there is a marketing challenge how to sell it to the customers. There was also an agreement that standards would be beneficial, but nobody wants to work on it. So what about the safety effects? Everybody agrees that if you can take away the manual errors that you do, or the human errors that you have in the traffic, of course, with a fully automated transportation system, you will also have the zero vision achieved. But what is the first steps towards this vision? That was not clear from this conference. It's very clear that the automated vehicles is an industrial combat between not only industries but also between countries and regions to be leading, but driven from the creating new jobs for the industry and attracting companies to the regions. Thank you.
Thank you, Kent-Erik.